Stop.
Good morning everyone. This is your social studies period. I hope everyone is safe during this lockdown time, and I suppose social studies is a new subject for you, so you have to be very alert during the class time. It's a very nice, interesting subject. You can score 100 out of 100 in this subject, and you have to be very attentive for all the topics, because some topics you must have done before also, but you have to pay attention more in class 3. Now before we start with the topic or the chapter, I want to tell you few things about the subject. Now your social studies is a 100 marks written examination subject. You have to make one 4-line exercise book for your SST written work, and all the written work will be given in your app. So you have to check for the written work every day. If any written work is given to you, you have to update with all the written work in your exercise book. Now before being late, we want to start with a new chapter or a new lesson in the first chapter of social studies, and the name of the chapter is Our Home Planet. Now before we start, one more thing I want to tell everybody, that in your social studies you have a different type of question paper in which you have to write the answers accordingly. Like the other subjects, you have the writing pattern, like you have the question answers, then you have fill in the blanks, then you have true or false, then you have match the column, and then one new question which you get in social studies is name them. Now everyone knows that question answer, you know that you get a question in which you have to write the answer. Fill in the blanks, you get the options, and in the blank you have to write the correct option. The third one, true and false, also you know that if a sentence is correct you have to write true, if the sentence is wrong you have to write false. In the match the column, you know that you get two columns. One is column A and one is column B. In column A you have the questions. You will copy, when you do the match the column questions, you will copy column A as it is, but in column B you have to write the correct answer next to the question. When we do the chapter, I will show you how to write the answers in match the column. Then you have name them. Now name them, you will get a particular sentence. Like for example, if I ask you what is the name of your class teacher, so your answer will be Kavita ma'am or Miss Kavita, like that. Only that particular name you have to write. Understood? So as we keep doing the chapters, I will also tell you how to do the written work in your social studies. If ever you have any doubt regarding your social studies, you will ask in the next class before I start teaching. I hope this is clear. So now we begin with the first chapter, and the first chapter of your social studies is Our Home Planet. So open to page number 7. Now our home planet, everyone knows that a living thing needs water, air and food to live, but also a living thing needs a home. Why? To protect himself from enemies, from animals and from the weather conditions also. But here it is little different. The meaning of home will be little different. As we go to the chapter, we will see what is the meaning of our home planet. Now before the name of the chapter, you will see it is written in small writing a topic as earth. Now everyone must have heard that earth. Now what is earth? Or what is called as earth? So we should know that earth is the only planet in the universe which has got life. Now here the word which comes to us is planet. Now planet is a new word for everyone. You must have heard the name planet, but I hope, do you know the meaning of planet? Some say yes, some say no, but each and every word we have to know the meaning of that word, then only we can understand further. So a planet is a heavenly body. It is a heavenly body which moves around the sun. And what is the meaning of heavenly body then? Heavenly body means the things which keeps moving around in the sky. Some things which we see with our eyes, some things which we cannot see, but they keep on moving in the sky. In the same way, the planets are also heavenly bodies which keep moving around in the sky, or they keep moving around the sun. When we look up in the sky, we can only see the sun, but the planets are not easily visible. We cannot see them easily. So now what is a planet made up of? Now we know that a planet is a body which keeps moving around the sun, but what is this planet made up of also? So these planets are made up of rocks, gases, and the planets, they don't have their own light. Like we know what is a sun. Everyone knows what is a sun. A sun is a huge ball of fire. And what we get from the sun? We get heat and light from the sun. So in the same way, the planets don't have their own light. The light what a planet gets, it gets from the sun. It gets from the sun. The sun has got such a lot of light that it gives its light to the planets also. Now see from the beginning of the chapter, come to the first line of the chapter. It is written, the sun as a central star with all other planets that revolve around it is called the solar system. Now, like we human beings or animals, we live in a family, and in a family we have got different members, and the senior member or the eldest member in the family may be your father or maybe your grandfather. But here we are talking about solar system. So solar system is like a big family, and in that family the sun is the head of that family, and the sun is in the center. The sun is in the center. So it is in the center part of the solar system, and around the sun there are 8 planets. How many planets are there moving around the sun? 8 planets. the planets keep moving around the sun every time. They are always you will see the planets are moving around the sun. And solar system means the sun and the 8 planets. They make one family, so that family is known as the solar system. The family of the sun is known as the solar system, and along with these planets, the solar system gives us heat and light. Whenever you go out in the sun, when the sun is very strong, as it is we get the light from the sun, and when we go out in the sun we start feeling hot because it gives out heat. Any object which gives us heat, we feel hot because of the hot gases which are present in the sun.